Okay, I just wanted to show y'all this. This is my breakfast sausages that I mixed with ground meat and pork. And I put them in the big jar and canned them on 15 pounds for 75 minutes, 90 minutes actually for quarts. And the potatoes are the potatoes that I did with basil. I made different potatoes in the little jar. I did basil potatoes, different types. I think I did ginger and I can't remember what else I did, but oh, pesto. But oh, these are the pesto potatoes. Yeah. So as you can see, all you got to do when you open up the jars is just fry them.